Hi guys, today I will share with you another if function formula in Excel. So here I have created a design for you. So here have a look. Suppose let's say manager decided A and B will work on it and must be a drop down list of the employee name or the developer name A and B. When manager select employee name, then the message will come this one. If manager select A, then the message will come, hey A, please complete this task before Monday. If the manager select B, then the message will be, hey B, we need this ASAP. And this one is for the developer. When the developer select any one of these, then the message will come something like this. And similarly it will apply for B. So here have a look at the design. This one. So let's start the Excel by using this design with if function. So here have a look. Here is the manager and here should be a drop down list of the employee or developer's name. How to add the drop down list? Just select the cell, go to data, data validation, and here allow will be list and the value will be comma separated. Suppose let's say Ram Ratan and OK. Have a look, the drop down list is created. So when suppose manager select Ram and another work is for Ratan, and this portion will be our logic by using the if function. How to do that? Have a look. If the developer's name is Ram, then the message will come, complete this task before Monday. If the developer name is Ratan, then the message will come, we need this ASAP, means as soon as possible. If the condition fails, then the message will be select a name. Have a look. When manager will select Ram, this message will automatically come, complete this task before Monday. When manager select or assign to Ratan, then the message will come, we need this ASAP, and this one is the automated process. And this one is for the developer, and there must be a list for developer. How to create the drop down list? Just select the cell, go to data, data validation, and allow will be list and value will be comma separated. So what should be the value? One is working, another is testing, and another is done. Okay, our drop down list is created. When developer select working and Ram select this one testing, and this portion will be automatic by using the if function. How to do that? Equals to if the dev status is working, then the message will come great. If the developer status is testing, then the message will come wow. If developer status is done, here is a twist. If developer status is done, if this one is Ratan, then the message will come thanks Ratan. If developer name is Ram, then the message will come thanks Ram. Otherwise it show error. Otherwise it show error. Otherwise it show error. End. Have a look. When the developer selects testing, the message will automatically come from the manager sites wow. When the developer status is done, then the automatically comes thanks Ratan, and it is dependent on the developer's name. Have a look. When manager select Ram, this message will automatically change thanks Ram, and when manager select the Ratan, then it's automatically come thanks Ratan. Testing. It's our if function which I used in Excel. So please create a test Excel and try it. If you have any issue, please send a comment for me. I'll try to solve it. So thank you. Bye bye.